Oh, Benji, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Benjamin. Yeah.
When they say all about the Benjamin.
All about the Benjamin. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Alright. Then this
Now
is
you know.
who this guy?
That's
Jefferson.
Andrew Jackson.
Oh, Jackson.
So that's what, $20, no? $20.
These are all our presidents.
Yeah, so these are all
This
presidents.
is Lincoln. No.
Yes.
This
yeah.
is Lincoln.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, how do you
George
know these
Washington.
Movies.
people? Oh, movies.
Lincoln
Movies.
sitting like this. There's one
Yeah.
Lincoln sitting like this.
Yeah, and DC.
Yeah,
in
there you go.
DC.
Yeah.
And then this is the first president, so
Yeah.
he's on the
George
dollar.
Washington.
George
the
Washington, huh?
first president of
Oh.
the United States.
Then where does Columbus fall?
Columbus isn't on.
He's just a historic.
He's just a historical
Yeah, he's
figure,
not
ne?
on any of the.
Yeah.
And then who?
Okay, so now I want to explain everybody. I want to explain the quarters and the 7 rands. Okay, basically here we have 4 coins this side. Each one is a quarter of a dollar, so that makes it 25 cents each. Now this side, this is a 2 rand. All of these are 2 rands. 2 rands, not a quarter. This is 1 rand. This makes $1 over here, which is equivalent to this over here. So now in South Africa we talk big numbers, and in America we talk quarters. Talk quarters. So now, yeah, it's that whole difference in monetary value and currency.
This is the White House.
So basically, where
Yep.
we are right now, we are in Virgil's house,
Oh, this is back in the day.
and his
And
girlfriend.
this is-
We're being
This is the
hosted by them.
Capitol
It's
building.
myself,
Yeah.
Lunga. For now, we'll be staying here.
And then you just missing
This is
the
Verde.
$10,
Lincoln Memorial.
The $10.
Hey, Virgil, say hi.
Hey, what's up, guys? Verdell from Atlanta, Georgia. You guys love from the States.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thanks, man.
We're very happy to have you both.
Thank you very
happy.
much. We're being hosted by these 2 wonderful people in the home. I feel like I've just entered one of those homes that they show in cribs. Like this is my big 20-inch screen TV. Yeah, I feel like we're in cribs. Oh, and by the way, I'm sorry I didn't get to include you guys in the tour, but the tour is for us because we got here. So now we got the tour. We're giving you guys a tour. But it's a really wonderful place so far, and we're enjoying ourselves. Thank you.